Hey everybody, I hope you're doing good or doing better. Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 Zig Zag rolling papers. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, the Zig Zag Kings. Part of the original line of Zig Zags, only packaged in a much sexier black and gold booklet. This is the standard for Zig Zag papers. They roll as well as they burn. Whether you prefer the lively and bright white original package or the longer, thicker black version, you will be well served. Next at number 4 are the superior, unbleached Zig Zag papers. Touting a superior smoking experience, the unbleached papers are hemp-derived and ultra-thin. This could be considered Zig Zag's take on the popular raw brand of papers. Excellent papers, but still outclassed by our next entry. At number 3, the Zig Zag Ultra Thins, but I'm gonna call them blues, are instantly recognizable in the 1.5 inch size. The dark blue vertical booklet contains extra light papers that can be rolled doubled over for a slower, tighter burn or as big around as your thumb. These papers are fairly close to the Element brand of papers, and some people like myself actually prefer the blues over the Elements for their durability in outdoor situations. For a light and versatile smoke, try these out. At number 2, Zig Zag Oranges really should be number 1. Oranges are strong and can therefore handle a wide range of bud types from spongy and sticky to dry and dense. They burn slowly and evenly indoors and perform well outdoors as well. Ultra-thin papers tend to run outdoors and pre-roll joints utterly fail in the wind. Oranges just work. These are truly the S-class of Zig Zag papers. It's a shame the company doesn't recognize the value of this product and upgrade its booklet from orange to 24 karat gold. Even if for a limited time, the Zig Zag Oranges deserve to shine. And coming in at number 1, the best Zig Zag paper, the cut corners. Cut corners are the absolute definition of less is more. When other companies added extra paper to make pouches or added wires to create built-in roach clips, Zig Zag went the other direction. By trimming the corners of the papers, the roller is better able to use their thumbs to tuck the ends of the paper to prevent loss from either side of the roll. This can be achieved by folding any other paper corners yourself, but this is the only paper I'm aware of that has already done this for the customer. Cut corner booklets even benefit from this, further preserving the packaging by eliminating the corners, therefore eliminating frayed ends. With a formulation that lies between original Zig Zags and oranges, cut corners are extremely well balanced and carry a productive gimmick that is sure to win over joint rollers everywhere the same way they did for me. And that was my top 5 pick for Zig Zag rolling papers. Check us out next time when we go through another top 5 video of some great 420 products. Have a great day and a better tomorrow. Bonus! I lied. I'm a liar. The best papers are wheat papers, but I didn't include them because you'll probably never see them. You better make friends with old people or track down the dustiest smoke shops on old highway roads you can find, because good luck. Good luck. And can somebody explain this to me, please? What's going on with this? Zig Zag? Why? Why the rebranding? It's awful. Stop it. Also, can you explain these wet-proof papers? What exactly did you do? Reds? Silvers? Please stop. Contact me for help. We could put a stop to this together. Thank you.